Hey guys, back today's topic is I'm going to tell you how to add a texture to a rig. There are different type of ways. Basically, I follow my own way. The simple way is file path editor, where we can add the textures as a single click. Okay, this file path editor will be find in modify. Well, yeah, I found it out. Windows General Editor. You can find it the file path editor here. I have created a shortcut here. So either you want, you can also create the shortcuts, or else like uh, simply press Windows General Editor, go to File Path Editor. Okay, by simply picking this File Path Editor, you can find it out. There is no textures here. By simply clicking those, it will ask you to redirect the location where the files are there. Make sure the files are in a single folder. By simply pressing the path file, it asks us to show the location. I'm clicking browse, uh, selecting here set repath. It automatically connect the textures with the rig. It's done. You can find out textures has been same. This is the simplest way I prefer to use. If not, so if for some rigs sometimes it doesn't work, maybe some issues you are getting out. No issue, you can do it manually. Well, I already showing you the simplest way by clicking the file path editor. If you are not able to get the materials, so I'm going to show you manual way which everyone can do. There are a lot of different ways. uh, by hypershade you can connect your textures manually. This is the hypershade material where you can find all the texture materials like rig has. You can connect them manually. From here you can connect those textures manually. Okay, if not, you want to in easiest way by simply selecting the mesh of the character. Sometimes if it doesn't select, go to channel box where you can find some layers like this. If there is anything regarding to RFR, it's called reference, you just turn it off. Then you can select it, or else you can do it in outline editor. Find out the mesh, the name of the characters mesh. For me, Leo body geo. Okay, by simply going there and you can select. So what are the things, it will directly select it off. Then simply go to render. You can plus that a material attribute. It will directly redirect. If not, press it again so that it will directly goes through the material section. In that, you just simply click it here. You right now you can see this matte Leo skin base color one. So to click the folder icon so that it asks you directly, um, find out the path file, find out your rigs. Make sure you have to select the correct um, material name. Use skin base 001. Yes, 001. Selected. Press open. See, you got directly. Okay. If not, if there is anything else regarding anything I haven't attached, you can also do it manually. Right now, this lyric has an cut on eye. Like there is another layer on this. You can simply go and press Control H, or else you can find it out here and in outline section. Simply by clicking his press F, you can directly redirect your file area. Okay, simply press Control H. You want to hide, then select the I link attribute, link your texture. Okay, you got that right. So where you can see there is a we have already hidden the cornea layer, so there is no reflection. in this particular eye you can see the reflection, right? So it creates the naturality. So I have hidden this. If you want to unhide, simply press Shift H. Sorry, Shift H is gonna unhide the selection, unhide the materials. If you press Control H, it's gonna hide. That's the shortcut. Well, this is the simplest way to add the textures to the rig. For some cases, if anything done mistake or else if you done some errors, I prefer, if you want to work on any rig, take it as a reference, okay? Not directly you can't not directly you have opened the files. I prefer reference, like if you want to take any rig into Maya file, create a reference, or else go to reference editor. Actually, I have taken the rig as a reference, so you can see. And like shortcut, you can also know whether this rig is imported directly or as a reference. This diamond symbol will indicate the uh, uh, rig has been imported as a reference. Okay, you can hide it here, or else this reference has been used. You can rechange the rig. If there is any issues in the rig, you can give it to the rigging artist. You can work it out. There is no issue. It will simply change by pressing this create reference diamond symbol plus symbol. Take any rig you want. I have created a proxy rig for Leo. I'm gonna open it here. Show you how it works. Okay. On the you can see. So these are the two rigs I had. One is the original Leo character, which has been created by the team, and this one is like I have manipulated this rig, which has a proxy in it. I'm gonna show you proxy rig. Yeah, this control I have created it. Yeah, you turn off the cloth, you can find. You can see the proxy rig I have created. If I'm going to make you another video on proxy, how to create a proxy rigs. Okay. Well, okay, guys, this is the video where we have multiple ways of connecting the texture. I have shown you some ways which I am using. I prefer file path editor more. So whatever the ways you are using, you please comment down below. Okay. See you all in the next video. If you want any additional information regarding animation and rendering, please comment down below so that I can teach you what I have learned.